Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing and coloring on black paper. We're gonna be drawing a skeleton. Now, we're gonna draw the skull first, just a curve and the cheek, and that's the teeth part. Now we're gonna color a bit. We're gonna leave the eyes, 2 circles black, and also the nose, a triangle in black color. Let's make a little bit of oval for the neck, and then the rib, just horizontal and vertical lines. We're gonna make it only 4. And then the next, we gonna make the hip like an infinity symbol or number 8-bit laying down. And then we're gonna make the arm, just 2 bones almost connected to each other. And for the hand, just 4 short lines, and we do another ones on the right, just 2 bones and the hands or fingers. Now let's do 2 bones in each legs and also the feet, just like that. And this is the other ones on the left, go down, and then the feet, and a little bit line for the fingers. Use red for the rosy cheeks because you layer it from white color, and then fix the teeth with black. Draw the line at the border of the skull and make the nose and the eyes more visible. Now we're gonna draw lines around the border of all the body or the skeleton. Take your white crayon and put a tiny dots in each of the eye. Now it's done. It's scary and cute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.